guys, time for another Airfix quick build, unbox, build and review. And today, arrived from Amazon was a McLAREN P1. The box art is lovely, okay? It is a lovely car. It's the yellow model. It has got McLAREN in the corner there, as you can see. Please ignore the box. It's come a little bit crushed, but that doesn't take away from anything that's going to be inside of the box, okay? It's 5+, which is the age. It's a safety sort of age. I would recommend a 10-year-old be able to build this by himself with a little bit of adult supervision, because there'll be certain bits to this that we need a little bit more of strength from an adult just to push the bits together. Lego fanatics, youngsters who love a bit of Technic Lego will find this really good. We'll use the word mega blocks, as mega blocks is quite big as well when it comes to this sort of build. All right, so here we go. The number on the box is a J6013-R1 quick build McLAREN P1. Not too sure what the R1 means, but that's basically the number of the kit. No glue, no paint, just build, or as I always say, no mess, no fuss, a model. So a quick look about the actual McLAREN P1. It's actually a limited edition production plug-in hybrid sports car. Okay, two-door coupe. All right, so it's always come with two doors. It's designed by Frank Stevenson and Robert Melville. The production of this car was in October 2013. It started to come out the factory, and it finished production December 2015. And over that 2-year period, roughly 375 of these cars were produced. Okay, it was built in Woking, Surrey, which is in England. Okay, it debuted in the Paris Motor Show 2012, I think it was, and they had basically sold out by the November. All they planned was 375 of these cars, but there has been talk of and doing a little bit of research, they may have produced 1 or 2 more, because the prototypes are actually sold as well of this car. It was a successor to the famous McLAREN F1, okay, but it used hybrid power, which means it had an electric motor as well as a petrol engine in it, okay. Mid-engine rear-wheel drive design, and it uses incredible carbon fibre monocoque and roof structure with the safety cage all in one, and it was called a monocage. It was a development of the monocell, which was used in the McLAREN MP4 12C, and it was also used in other models. Okay, this car holds the production car lap record at 5 different circuits. It was the Circuit of Americas, the Algarve International Circuit, the Anglesey Coastal Circuit, the Silverstone National Circuit. There's another one, and I just can't remember which one it is at the moment. If it comes to me, I'll let you know further on in the video. But yeah, it's an amazing piece of kit, all designed by the company that's behind the McLAREN Formula 1 team, or the McLAREN racing team. But they even though their badge is McLAREN, the actual company is McLAREN Automotive. All right, so turning the box over, this one here was a 2-door. It holds 2 seats, so it doesn't have the 3 seats that the F1 had. Okay, the length of it was 4.5 meters long, height of it 1.2 meters, width of it 2.1 meters. It weighed just 1.395 kilograms. That's 1.3 ton. Okay, kilometers an hour, it says here it was 350 kilometers an hour, which is around 217 miles an hour. It comes with a 3.8 litre turbocharged V8 engine, okay, known as the M838TQ, I think it was. All right, yeah, as I said before, it's rear mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, and it also has the McLAREN e-motor in it as well, because it is a hybrid. It uses both petrol and electricity. You plug it in, gives you a bit more power. So let's have a quick look inside the box. As I said, ignore the box because it is a little bit battered, so I won't do much with the box. And there we go, we've got everything in there. have a look. Is there any stickers? No, there's no stickers, so that the stickers must be in it. Oh, there's the stickers there. Looks like headlights, McLAREN P1, little bit of carbon fibre. I have no idea. That must be the exhaust, steering wheel, and then the lights or the headlamps there. And I think that might even be a bit of the windows. That's the back windows, I think, just by looking at the picture there. There's the instructions. It's 36 pieces, so they're roughly around the same, 36, 35 pieces. Just looking at the stickers. Oh, that goes on the back, that little McLAREN sticker. And there's some carbon fibre there. Number 4. Where's the other stickers too? Does it give you other stickers in here? I suppose there's stickers as you build along, obviously. But yeah, it looks like it. Number 2 is the stickers for the window. Going through, there's, you do the wheels first. Remember, I think they'll be thin and fat, so you got thin wheels and fat wheels. Yeah, you definitely do. The plastic normally comes with a little rim on it, so that it fits better. You do the side panels, put the axles on, then there's a bit of a bit here for the back end, the front end. Put the seats in, then the window, blah blah. Yeah, some stickers there, a bit of sticker there, and wing mirrors, which basically snap on, and it's done. So what I need now is to open up the bag. So I need my roasting tin, and we shall open up the bag. There we go. There's the bag open. Oh, this looks like quite a big car. And then what I will do is just open this. I think there's 2 parts to this. I think there's 2 bits of plastic glass in here. Yes, there is. That looks like the bit for the exhaust where you can see the engine. And then you have the front, okay? And then I presume stickers go there. Well, let's have a look. I don't know. I'm just guessing that's when stickers might have to go. But yeah, so there's those bits. You've got the chassis, and there's the front. What's underneath the chassis normally gives you something. There you go. QUICKBUILD McLAREN P1. As I said, you've got 2 types of tyre there. So you have the rims as well. If you actually just look inside, you can see there's a very, very slight ridge, and that stops the tyre from going right the way through. Okay, so you've got your 2 thins and your 2 fatties for the back. There's your hubs, some bits in the front. There's your front end, your wings. Looks like there's the bonnet there. It looks like a bit of fun. So let's put it all back in. This looks like fun, and we'll get ready to build it. But just quickly, remember, if you want to see this slowed down, if you're looking online, on the bottom right, there's a little cog. Click that cog, and it will give you settings. You can change the speed of the time lapse. Okay, so you'll be able to watch this slowly. Okay, so all ready and waiting. Let's get this sorted, and I'll see you after the time lapse. Here's the final product of this build. Lovely. Some bits are a bit fiddly and a bit, I did understand some of it. You may have noticed, if you slowed the time lapse down, I trimmed one of the rubber wheels because it was slightly malformed in the actual process of the rubber being injected into the mold. So I did gently just take off an edge on one of the wheels because the tires, I couldn't get the hub in. It was just an absolute nightmare. Very, very nice. It goes together magically. You know, they are so well engineered, you wouldn't know. Look at, if you just look carefully, look at that. There's a little overlay there, and it just fits in nice. Bang. Little bit of movement, but you know, good push. The wheels spin freely, no issues there. There's some little bits that, you know, you don't really notice. Dashboard looks good. I did notice that for some reason I've got an extra seat, so I presume you could, if you took it to bits, you could make it into a 3-seater if you so wish, but no, to me it's a 2-seater 2-door coupe. That's what it is. It is nice. It's a very, very good build. It's, as I said, a little bit complex. You may need some little bit adult supervision on, you know, putting it together. There were some bits I had to really push hard, and as soon as you push hard and you hear that click, you know you've got the piece in, which came, you know, 2 or 3 times that sort of happened. I had to push a little bit harder and before I heard the click, but other than that, it looks really nice. Okay, I'm really chuffed, really happy with this build. So it's again the McLAREN P1 from Airfix. Model number is J6013-R1. Okay. As I say, excuse the box, it came like this from Amazon. But hopefully this has been a good build for you. Also, just one quick thing. If I can knock it down, see if it'll come out, it won't. But this can either go up or down. If I just put the knife in there, there you go. The spoiler can sit just in. If you just force it in and push it back, it can either stick out or you push it in. I think you can just glue that into position where you want it, or does it like that? So I can go in or out, but you know, other than that, it goes in. It's a stunning piece of kit. Thank you for watching. If you can, please subscribe to the channel. If you already subscribe, also like this video as well. And any comments, any questions on this build, please leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Cheers.